playing the video.
Oh yeah, I did hear that dog.
But I can't hear the music.
Is that... Yeah, we don't do that ad thing anymore. Alright. Hi everyone. Hold on, let's set this thing up. This button?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh yeah,
fix the camera.
gotta fix that. Building. Okay. Smile, Justin. That kind of works. We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Hi, everybody. Oh, wait, there's 2 cameras. Guest
really?
camera?
Guest camera? Okay.
This one. No, this one. What?
What's a downgrade? The camera? Oh. Oh, the room? Yeah.
The room, actually, it's kind of nice.
Yeah, it has its ups and downs. It's like a...
this is a sound booth.
Yeah.
So, like, you can see, like, you can use it for recording or whatever.
Yeah. It's
whatever.
a bit smaller. Yeah.
It's nice and cozy. Like, I like it. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Gotta check the things. Is the music too loud?
People said they can hear it.
Okay, and the picture. All right,
okay,
cool.
Nice.
So wait, does you have your other keyboard? Does your other keyboard work?
No. Do I have to type stuff?
Try like my keyboard works.
This keyboard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, cool. We're ready. All right. Hi everyone.
Hello.
Today we're gonna talk about Steam Workshop. Let's see. So I guess we'll just start with doing like a little run through.
So.
I'm gonna move it over there. Yeah.
It's a little quiet.
Where is
us specifically, or the music?
Yeah. Who's quiet? Is it Justin?
Oh, the music. Yeah. We could ramp it up like 5%.
All right, let's do it.
We always get like the music too loud. Okay. Hey everybody.
Hey Mega Shab. All right. So we've been working on this mods screen. So before we relaunched this, like a new mod button, and it was like, oh, giant mod button. So before it was like in the menu, like in the side. So we moved it to
one of those like little sub banners, right?
Yep. And we moved it to the front page. So now you can see this here. And like when we were first working on it, like this side was like totally naked, but like that's because we've been working on Steam Workshop. Like originally the reason for this was because we've been working on multiplayer, and like for a while now, Linda, Morgan, and I have been trying to go through and like work on all the different things we need to get multiplayer working. And one of the things we wanted to make sure we got right was when you're connecting to somebody else's game, like for it to make sense on your side, you have to have the same exact mods applied. And they have to be also applied in the correct order, and and then all of the hot loaded manifests also have to be applied like correctly in the correct order.
Yep.
So like that had to be like known ahead of time. And like if say you had the Canyon biome enabled and I tried to connect to you, if we had used the system like before where you would download like a mod from the forum, it would say like, oh, you're missing this mod, but there would be no recourse. You would have to be like, all right, cool, I'm gonna go find this mod and install it. Hopefully I find the right version, that kind of thing. So with Steam Workshop, we're gonna be able to automatically like there's just a button that says subscribe all, and like you can download all of them. But anyway, we're working through this feature and just added Steam Workshop support, and it seems like really cool, even without like the multiplayer aspect of it. So I'll start showing this. So like this is the screen. Like this column here is like all of the mods that are on your local on your local computers, like they're all on your local computer like drive, but like they're all in your mods folder that you've been using so far. So like if you click open folder, you'll see like these are the mods in the Stonehearth mods folder, and like that continues to work just like it did before. and you can still like grab mods in there, and it work. And the Steam Workshop mods can sit like in the same game. Like basically, you can have like one mod from here, one from Steam Workshop. It works fine. So like browse Steam Workshop. Oh wait, actually first. So like this column is all of this mods you have subscribed on the Steam Workshop. So subscribe is like really particular the way they're like wording this, because like you'll automatically get any updates that the author of the mod like pushes to Steam Workshop, which I guess like is on one hand you could be like, oh no, I really wanted like a particular version.
Yeah.
You can still do that. Like you can still copy that, like, oh, I want this particular version of the mod, or I want to mod my mod, or like whatever. Like you can put that into the local mods folder. But like the benefit of having a subscription to is that if you're playing multiplayer, then you can be fairly certain that you have the same version of the mod as somebody else. And also, like if we push an update, like, and add some feature, and like say you've got like a translation mod going, then the author of that mod can just like push an update as well. Yeah. And then as a player, you can just be happy and be like, okay, I got my mods updated, like the Stonehearth updated, my mods updated, everything is working out. So yeah, browse
See
Workshop.
you later, Bruno.
See ya, Bruno. So this is our Workshop beta page. We just released this today. Oh, Linda test. This is probably holding some of like the test mods and stuff that we had put up before. What is going on here? Easy mode, difficult, like just like I guess Bruno would upload it right before the stream. So anyway, for example, you would see Canyon Biome, and you could click subscribe, and it shows up here. There's a weird thing here where it says like loading.
Yeah.
Because when you subscribe to an item, you just have like some number, which is like the file ID.
The ID.
You don't have the name of it, so you have to then download. So we put some metadata. It's like here's the name, and then it will download. So you can click View in Workshop, see the details about this like later. Like, oh cool, I got this cool biome thing. So
Sophie asks how do you disable it to use an older version of the mod?
So you can uncheck this here and like put it in there, or you can like unsubscribe.
Yeah.
So like this is enable disable of the mod, so you can have it subscribed and disabled.
Okay.
So if you can say open folder, like this
and then you would have your older version.
These are the mods that are sort of installed in the content folder. So like the way it works is like Steam Apps, Workshop, Content, and then this 253250, that's the like the application ID for Stonehearth. So these are just the mods that like we've subscribed to.
Yeah. Looks like Coasters Paul is asking about sharing templates.
Yes, Coasters Paul. We are going to add building templates, but I wanted to add that feature in when the new builders all shipped. Because I feel like there would be like an issue if people are uploading like older templates, and then there'd have to be like an updating step or like something.
Like especially with the current, like how we're playtesting the builder right now. Like I just broke serialization with the stairs between like
one version and the next.
Yeah, because it was kind of like I was like, it's called rickety. We don't need a backwards support. But
so definitely want to do that though, because I feel like the template stuff, like everybody can jump in and like make something with the builder and like want to share that. That's like really easy to do. So there's like different levels of like difficulty, and like as you can start off like making like really cool template mods, and then like other people, like I guess The Sims kind of did this too, where it's like, you remember Sims 2 where like the like some like I remember what I was doing. It's like you can just like like you can do like different like
oven mazes.
No, you were doing oven mazes, but like you can like do mods where it's like you change the color of some clothes or something, right? You can just hue shift it or something. But then there were like some people who were crazy who went in who'd like made custom models or like custom, and then like one tier above that was like custom actions that you could do in The Sims. Like I feel like templates is like really important
it'll be awesome when we can
for
get
the
it
workshop
there. But yeah, I agree. It should be when the builder's like solidified, and there's gonna be no breaking changes.
Yeah, that's a good point about like if let's try this now. Actually, open folder. Oh wait, actually, will that work? That won't work. I have to. Yeah, no, that will work. So you can go here, open folder, paste this. I think it should just grab the name. Yeah, so it should complain about mod conflicts.
With another player, right?
Yeah. The Sims. Oh yeah. The Sims 3DT says Sims 3 is really good for color changes. That's true.
Yep.
Like the Sims 3, I don't know what's up with the Sims 4, but like the Sims 3, like you could like click on anything and be like, yeah, shift.
Yeah.
So like my downloading a texture and like modding it, like hue shifting it in Photoshop is like less useful, but at the same time it's like way easier to do stuff. Okay. Okay, I did disable it. Okay, so they're both checked. That's weird. So maybe we're discovering a bug right now.
Let's fix it on stream.
Yeah. Good evening, mods. Yeah, that's weird.
Okay.
Will that work? It did recheck itself. Let's see. Whoa.
That's not there.
Spooky. All right. Bug found. Yep.
All right, open up Jira.
Okay, yeah, hold on.
Put a ticket.
We
gotta estimate it.
Wait, hold on. We gotta make a note though.
Just right on the back of my hand.
Okay, yeah, here. Okay.
We gotta have paper somewhere.
All right, so that's interesting. So if you uncheck one and then you uncheck if you uncheck this one, they'll both load and then this one's checked. All right. So yeah, right now there appears to be a conflict between if you have like the same mod, like the mod with the same. Oh, actually, wait. If I did this, oh no, that's true. If I change the namespace, then it's none of the internal stuff will work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. This is something that was already a problem with the. Okay, actually, that'll go to the next part. So, initially, we were having trouble because, like, when you uploaded. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. So initially, say you're creating a mod, right? Mm-hmm. Like, Justin's cool mod. Let's just walk through that. Like. Justin's cool mod. Oh, yeah, that's how you like it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It'd be better if it was like in elite and like change caps like every other.
Yeah, true. Let's see. Justin's cool. Oh yeah. Well, actually, that one's like this. That one can be like that. Okay, that's fine. So Justin's cool mod, and then, so when you created a mod before, like we would rely on the name on the folder to be like that is the name of the mod, and then when you look at an alias, like it would take the folder's name. But there was two problems with this when we went to Steam Workshop. One is that when you upload a Steam Workshop item, like they recommend that you upload it in a folder format, and that's why we're not doing the like the zip mod thing, because they do some smart stuff with like binary diffing of like doing updates, so you can do like a partial like
that makes
update
sense.
thing. So like they have their own thing, so like upload a folder, not a zip. And then the folder that they give you is like got a file ID, which is just a number.
Right.
So if we look at the number, it's really annoying to use as like a like an alias for. Mm-hmm. So what we end up doing is adding a new field to the info block, which is like the namespace field.
Yep.
And so that's what we're gonna put here. So like this has to be like a nice string that you want to use over and over again when you're typing aliases. So Justin cool mod. Is this a translation mod?
Not yet.
Not yet? So okay.
We'll look to diversify the mods.
Translation mods like this is another thing that came up we had to add related to multiplayer. So say we want to play a multiplayer game and you have like Canyon Biome and like the cafe mod, right?
Yeah.
And you got a bunch of cool stuff in there, but I am playing with the German translation mod.
Yeah.
If I tried to match all of your mods to when I joined, then suddenly my game's no longer in German.
Right.
It'll be like, oh, you're playing in Chinese or
Yeah.
something, and then like, oh no, what do we do? So what we this checkbox is basically saying is like, this is a client only mod.
Yeah.
And this is like, you as a modder, you're promising like, I'm not gonna touch any of these like server side stuff because like this is only gonna touch client side stuff. It's not just like a promise, because like literally the mod's not going to run on the server, because like you're going to connect and then the server is not going to copy your mod, and you're not. It's just like, yeah, this is, if you've got stuff that's going to be on like the client side, like translation, or like even like some like utility thing that's like only dealing with like client side information, you can run this, and then the client can like use that even when connecting to a remote game.
Does the builder branch have these new features? I don't think it currently does, but when we cut a branch, like as we continue to update the branch, we're pulling in the main develop. So
soon it will.
Yeah,
but
either I don't know
whenever
Chris,
you push again.
Yeah,
right?
I don't know if Chris pushed today. I should check, but if not today, then probably not Friday. But
yeah, probably not Friday, but
probably Monday or something.
Okay, so I clicked the create new mod. I created that, and that put me in the Steam uploads folder. This is another like slightly new thing. So this is like the mods folder where you can copy and paste things. That's this column. And this is the Steam uploads folder, which is like this third column here. And for developers who are choosing to like upload their works to Steam, what my thought was is that you could develop out of this folder, because the game, like if we quit right now and like we apply the mod, Justin's cool mod will, if we quit right now, nothing will happen apparently. Like Justin's cool mod is applied because it's in that folder. So the only thing that's created here is like a manifest for us. So if we look at this manifest, it's like cool name is, oh my god, Notepad++, really? Okay, every time it's like, hey, you got 15 things to update. I'm like, I don't know. Okay, so
just use Emacs.
I know.
Like make it auto
every
update.
day.
Contact Melpa.
So name Justin's cool mod, namespace Justin's cool mod. So like if I had some alias, like, well, I guess I wouldn't put it here, but like if I was referring to an alias that was defined in this manifest, I would prefix it with Justin's cool mod colon like something, right? So so then this is where you would like, this is like your blank slate, right? This is like nothing in the mod yet. Okay, so cool. Do we have a picture of anything? Oh, can you do like snipping tool?
If it's on here, yeah.
Cool. Gonna take a picture of Justin right here. Oh, me too.
It's a cool mod.
Yeah, this is our cool mod. File, save as. Probably on the desktop, I don't know. Cool capture. .png all caps, because that's important.
.boys.
.boys. .boys.png. All right, so we go back to mods. So anyway, like we could work on it, we could test or whatever right out of here, and then when we're ready, we can click upload. So let's see here. So the Steam mod title is different from the title that is, like the name that is inside the manifest, unfortunately.
It has to be different, or?
Yeah. I mean, we could put it the same, but there are like different requirements on them.
Oh.
Like, so, okay. So the Steam mod title. So this is the title that you'll see in Steam.
Okay.
So Justin's cool mod. Wait, don't we want them off?
The lights?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because we love darkness.
Yeah.
Okay, description of your mod. This is a cool mod by Justin. Okay. So this is like the description that you'll see. This is pretty self-explanatory, but like visibility, like only your friends can see it.
We usually have a to-do list on screen.
Oh, the to-do. What is happening today? Notepad.
Talk about mods.
Agenda. Oh shit. I mean, words. That is not big enough. Okay. Oh, whoa. Who did that?
It's
That's probably Max. Okay. Talk about Steam Workshop.
We can, if we run out of time, we can discuss builder stuff. I guess.
Discuss builder. Okay.
Oh yeah, the sticky is on the desk.
Oh. Okay. Gotta add some zeros in there.
Make it leap.
Yep. Cool.
We're hackers.
Yeah.
We just hacked.
Yeah, that's a pretty good hack. Okay. Okay,
Nice.
question. If I already have a mod, would I simply add my manifest info to the appropriate fields within the newly created one, and then copy all my folders into the new blah 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 whatever folder? Yes. Basically, you want to create the thing here first, and the reason for that is that there is that blah 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 number that we need, because that is your Steam's like ID, like the, what is it called? The publish file ID? It's like it's a file ID for the thing that you're going to upload. So you can basically just like copy your regular manifest in there, but take that manifest and like, I think the important part is because like you need to have the namespace and all that, but I'll open with this, like you need this Steam file ID to be in the info block.
Yeah.
The rest of it I think you can change.
Oh, cool. What's your Don't Starve mod?
Yeah,
That's a good game.
Yeah, Don't Starve Together is pretty good, and they have like a good modding interface thing too.
Yeah, we sometimes play Don't Starve Together at the office.
Yeah, it's a good time. So the visibility here is like, oh yeah, like who can see it? So there's an issue here. If you say friends only, or like only you, like it's great when you're developing and you like, upload stuff. Well, actually, only you is fine. Well, no, the issue is if you start a multiplayer game.
Yeah.
The other people will see this as a private mod and be like, sorry, I can't get it. Which might be what you want. Maybe you want a friends only mod that, and you can only play with your friends, and then only they can like join the game. I mean, you can only join friends games anyway right now, but like you know what I mean. Like this, the people who are joining your game have to also be able to see the mods that you're gonna want to download. So some tags. So okay, there's another note here with the tags. Shift tab. So if we go to workshop, these tabs open it all the time. There's some tags right here. If you type in a name of a tag that is in this list, and I'm thinking we might be adding some more. I'm not sure. These are like a curated list, right?
Right.
If you add like language, for instance, you'll show up in this list here of like, oh yeah, these are all the ones tagged with language. But if you, okay, this one has also localization, right? So if you have localization, oh, Funky Town. If you, I wonder what that mod does. So if you, basically you can put any tag you want, and it'll be grouped. It just won't show up in this list.
The curated, yeah. Because you might put something.
Yeah. So let's say Justin.
Yeah. And we need to add me to the curated list. Like you'll have to
right. To the... Yeah. And then biome or something. Choose image. Of course, we have to go to our desktop and get our cool capture. So this, just pick a name. It's like making a cool mod with friends. Okay, so by submitting this item, you agree to this the workshop terms of service. So there's some terms of service that Steam requires people to accept.
All right, now we have to read them on stream.
You've accepted this thing. So like you click here and you can see the subscriber agreement or whatever that is, like it's Steam's workshop agreement.
Yeah.
This is like the required text from them.
Mm-hmm.
Click upload. Great.
Yay.
Cool. Upload bar. And then after it's done uploading, it shows this. All right. Sick mod. All right. I'm going to subscribe to this.
Nice.
Justin's cool mod.
Question. In multiplayer, what happens when the host leaves the game or it crashes? What will happen to the world?
Okay, so the host is like the owner of the state and everything, and all the clients are just getting the updates. Like the way it works is that like you're running the game and other people are making remote procedure calls to like change stuff in the game and then get like the side effects back to you.
Yep.
So if the server crashes like and just like goes away, the client will like sit around for a second like and be like, I'm not getting any messages, that's weird, and then it'll be like something went wrong, like, and then it'll quit back to the main menu, like basically, and have a little message saying, oh, something went wrong.
Yeah.
If the host just leaves the game, it's a similar thing, but it'll have a different message, like, oh, host closed the game or whatever. If the host kicks you, it'll be like, well, you got kicked or something. Actually, I don't know what the message is for that. But anyway, there's a different message for that.
Yeah.
What happens to the save file is totally up to the host. So if the host says, I'm saving the game, or I'm auto saving the game, then it will be auto saved, or it will be saved, or whatever. If the host decides to load the game, everybody will be kicked.
Okay.
And then like people will have to like rejoin because they could load any different game or whatever.
Right.
Like. Okay, so Justin's cool mod. So we have them both checked. I think this is okay. Yeah. So this say that, oh, duplicate mods enabled. So this is something that we wrote in. That's why I thought the other thing was gonna work. Mm-hmm. So it's like, oh, sorry, you gotta uncheck one of them. We should actually check against this one too.
Yeah.
You're like, okay, so I'm gonna work with the live version. I can quit to the main menu, or I want to work with the version that I'm like editing but that I haven't uploaded yet. I can like quit to the main menu and do that thing. I'm gonna unsubscribe. Yes, unsubscribe. So this is how you delete a mod. View in workshop. We don't have a delete button like in this UI, but if you click view in workshop, you'll see here you can say delete, and you're like, yeah, it can't be undone. Like, oh no, so sad. It always opens like 50 tabs.
Yeah.
Maybe we can do something about that.
The Steam browser is weird.
So now if I try to update, it won't work. You need to also delete this folder, because that's just a folder on your computer. And then it will refresh next time we... Oh, maybe. Yeah.
Max says...
R.I.P. cool mod. Yeah.
Is there a way to prevent Hearthlings from getting stuck between walls?
Wait, what?
It depends on what you mean. Are you talking about the new builder? They shouldn't be really getting stuck between...
Let's do a new game. Oh, wait, no, actually. Let's quit to main menu. Load and stuff. Wait, agenda. Cool, can't hide that agenda. We might be transitioning here. Okay. Mods.
What other mod stuff do we need to do?
Any questions about Steam Workshop or multiplayer, or like what we're looking at? Browsing Steam Workshop. I'm gonna see what else we got here. These are like, I think people's, because we're in admin mode, we've got people's like test mods up here.
They have Albert's
Stonehearth
floating.
Cafe. Oh, this one's good. just chewing. All right, gonna subscribe to Stonehearth Cafe. Okay. Yeah, cook mod. Okay. Quit to main menu. Apply. Gonna start a new game. Let's build a building in the canyon biome.
Okay.
And see what's good.
I built like two walls. When the walls were raised, some people were in between, and I had to remove the whole building. Huh. I'd have to take a look at the building. Could you, if you have it, could you save it as a template and upload it to our discourse?
Yeah, oh, sorry. Responding to Coaster's Paw, it's like no context, right?
Yeah.
It says that download bar is so nice. In other games I play, generally have to quit to install mods. So yeah, like that makes a lot of sense. Like basically, what happens when you like quit to the main menu when you like apply the mods is like we unload everything and we reload everything. So it's kind of like a quit and reload, but it's just sort of built into the game. And then like the download like tracking stuff is all through like Steam's API. Like, oh yeah, I'm downloading some data, and you give it back a thing. It says here's how many bytes you got, and we like upload the bar. So I mean update the bar. So that's pretty nice. But so we keep track of like what's on the file system, but we don't apply the mods until you like click OK and come back. So it's nice.
If I said Discord, I meant discourse. But yeah, I think there's a.
What kind of weather? Oh, he added weather.
Nice. Is the Discord? I know there's a Stonehearth Discord. Is it official? Is it like ours? Or is
I don't know.
A fan thing? I have to ask Stephanie that.
Okay. Let's talk about building things. Now, first I gotta clear cut this area up here. Okay, new builder. Oh no. Oh right.
Oh, this is on Steam.
Right, that's fine.
Yeah.
We need to do this thing.
Official, unofficial Discord.
Oh, I should have saved. What's wrong with me? Wait, what's going on?
What's wrong? Oh, Canyon Biome. Do we have it installed to the...
Steam enabled false. Yeah, so...
But these are separate directories, right?
It's fine, because what happens is with the Steam stuff, it's all stored in Steam's directory, so if Steam is loaded, then even the developed builds will likely...
Oh, interesting.
So we'll say single player and... Yep, Canyon Biome. Normal... So cafe mode should also be enabled here.
Nice.
So you wanted to talk about stairs? Or?
Yeah, we can talk about building.
Oh yeah, the new stair stuff, right? Because it's like slightly different now.
Yeah. So one of the things we were doing is we initially wanted to have stairs work a lot like the other types of structures within the builder. So like if you click on the room tool and you drag it out, you're dragging like, you know, you're clicking a thing, you're dragging, and it builds the room off of the parameters you've set. We kind of want stair tool to play like that, so we had it for a while, and it was fine. The thing is, it became somewhat difficult to build like two-story, to use stairs like internally. Like it was super easy to build stairs and like to go up to like a front door or to like go up the side of a house or something like that. But it became slightly problematic when you wanted to build stairs that led up to a hole. Because what would happen is when you would drag, you would need to know where the hole is, but you also need to understand kind of the context of the floor that the stairs is a part of. And that's pretty hard to do with like a 2D dragger. So what we ended up doing is we kind of made a went over UI, so like free grabs. So we kind of made a unification between kind of the old stairs and the new stairs. So if you want to go ahead and click on the stair tool.
No, I gotta perfect my house first.
Let's see, how much consideration does the team have for preserving mods when they update the game?
So it's like an in-between. Like, we don't want to say, like, oh, we can't make a new thing because, like, oh, this is, like, clearly better. So,
yeah.
Like, oh, well, but, like, you know, that legacy thing where it's, like,
yep.
We can never change anything because, like, we'll break all the mods. But we definitely don't want to break all the mods, right? So it's definitely a measured decision when we're moving forward. That said, I really like we've put out the modding guide, actually I didn't talk about that. So with the Steam Workshop, we've just put out a modding guide, and like Anna and Morgan were working on to show. Let's see. Let me just open that here. Some internet stuff. Oh, actually, it's in the Steam.
Oh yeah.
So workshop. If you go to the workshop, if you can go to the workshop ever loads. Oh, that was weird. Sometimes it needs like a cache thing. I don't know why. So anyway,
really?
Yeah, I don't know. I think Steam needs to fix that. Okay, so if you go here and click on Learn More, there's like this modding guide, and there's sort of the stuff we were talking about, like, oh, here's the mods, here's how you can subscribe to things and like upload things, but like in text form, and like some pictures, and that's nice. There's like talk about local mods and how those work, and then just sort of general like questions about, questions and answers about like how to mod Stonehearth. One thing that's not in here that I really want to get to is actually a API reference. So that will help modders, like when they go to mod something, like, and write some Lua, like it'll help them know like what's even available for them to call. Because right now you can just sort of see like, oh, how is other
other things work?
How are other things working in the game, and then you like can grab through the code and like figure out what's going on. Because like all the most of the code is there written in Lua, so you can just go through and figure that stuff out. But I think it'd be much nicer if we can get an API reference going. Then if we did that automatically, then we could check the diff where it's like, oh, here's a new version and here's all the things that changed. Like, yeah.
Sir Asterix asks, for the longest time Steam Workshop was a no because we didn't want to alienate Humble Bundle users. So like why are we doing it now?
Yeah, this was like I said in the beginning of this stream, it was definitely like something that we came across while we were working towards multiplayer, where it's like we don't want to make it like, oh, this is the only way you get mods. Like definitely, like we still allow local mods and all that, but like if you're connecting to somebody and you are a Steam player, it is very nice to be able to click like join game and then sync all mods basically. So there's like way less friction to getting into a game that has mods, and I think that'll encourage people to play with mods. Because if you like, oh, I can only do multiplayer if I like go and find all the mods from all the places, then it's then it's like, okay, well maybe I'll like just play with fewer mods because like I want my friend, or like maybe I'll email them or like give them the link. It's just like a lot more of a hassle. So it was just that like that was the thing for me, like while we were working on multiplayer. I was like, it seems like like a killer feature,
a good quality of life thing.
Yeah, it's for like playing with other mods people over multiplayer. After we got it going, it seems like even on its own, it's a strong feature. Because of like auto updating mods and that kind of thing.
I agree.
But yeah, definitely not taking away support.
From local mods. Like you can still, you don't have to get them from Steam. Let's see, Pick of Death asks, can there be a pause potion when building? So I don't get notification after notification, so I didn't get confused. A pause potion. So we definitely want a pause button. Oop, did that not work?
Oh no, I just right clicked.
Okay. We definitely want a pause button so you can pause building, if that's what you mean. I'm not completely sure what you mean by potion, but yeah. So yeah, this is kind of how the new stair. I don't think holes work on stairs yet.
Oh, do they not?
No, not yet. That's something.
No, I was just trying to cut a hole into that.
Yeah. So how the stair tool.
Gotta build my cool temple.
Hello, Bruno. Yeah, how stairs work now is, again, it's kind of a mix between kind of the old one and the new one. So they almost work like fixtures in the fact that, like, you're putting down a thing and you can, like, rotate it like you can fixtures. But then after it's placed, it has the same, like, widget structure that everything else in the game has. So you can attach it, you can put it against holes, you can attach it to pieces of terrain. And then afterwards, you can go ahead and, like, adjust the height.
Oh, wait,
move
yeah.
them
So
around.
if you have it over here, you can like rotate
Yeah.
what it is, then put it over there and like be like, oh.
Yeah, and we need options for like changing the height, like as you're doing it. Just have to figure out, kind of ask Nikki how she feels about, like, do we want it kind of? Yeah, you gotta be a little precise.
I gotta be precise there.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's unfortunate. That house screams Angelo.
Eh.
Let's see. News on building. Yeah, we're kind of discussing building right now. So we're talking about.
Can I do this?
You can try. We were discussing kind of the change with the stair tool, because some people were having problems, like if you put a hole in a wall or a floor.
Can I put a hole in roof?
Not yet.
Oh, no,
Oh
you
no.
can't.
Yeah, Chris added that, I think, today. So
Okay,
I don't,
so it's not on the stable.
not yet. Yeah, and these stairs aren't there yet either. They probably will be very soon. I want to say
Yeah.
exactly when, but
Okay.
yeah.
Gotta
So
put
this is
hole-
really cool feature.
Oh, gotta use blocks tool.
See if the tooltips work. Go over some of the
Oh, hold on. Wait, where's the tooltips? Here?
go
Holes.
over the brushes.
Oh, this bird's talking to me. Hold on. Founding. Yes. Hold on. I need to get out of this build mode. Oh, what?
You can just go back. Oh,
Okay. Yeah.
let's see. Pick up death load settings. Sorry, I mean an option where you go to settings and select if you want to pause the game or not when building. Oh, so when you go into building,
Oops.
it auto pauses.
All right. Oh, because like this. Can you hit this? Oh no, the shortcuts are different here. You could. Pause.
Yeah, we need to go back in. Like some of the
Are you-
bindings changed a little bit.
Oh really?
I think Linda
this
fixed
one.
a lot of them. Mouse over like one of the brushes.
This thing?
Yeah. Okay. So yeah.
Okay, cool.
We did a bunch of like quality of life stuff, like getting the tooltips back in, fixing how some of the UI works, getting rid of a lot of there's a bunch of JavaScript errors, like
That was weird. Right. 'Cause
yeah,
there's-
it like picks you when you click, it like decides on which direction your drag is oriented. Ooh.
Oh.
That's
interesting.
weird.
I'm gonna sell that one to Chris.
Yeah, because it's like alternating between the like adjust and the position.
This one's the adjust. Okay, that's what I wanted. Interesting.
Can we have an eyedropper tool? That is something we are looking into. Yep. What else?
Uh-oh. You to undo that one. Cool. Cool, I got my house. Got my cool stairs that go over here. I can probably adjust this stair, right? Yeah. Okay, so I need to put a room up here. Gotta make sure this room is short.
Short room.
Yeah, it's a pretty short room.
But yeah, we really appreciate all the people who have participated in the rickety building kind of play test. It's given Chris and Nikki and I like a lot of.
This is like a one-way thing to go up here and get some windows. Oh no, I need a crafter.
You need a crafter. I think we're going to change that. We're going to show all the things that you could build. Well, I think you would still need a crafter, but
well, to build the thing, right?
yeah, but I think what we're going to do is in those windows, once you do have a crafter, it's going to show everything you could craft ever. Similar to kind of the crafting menu. So, you open up the crafter's menu and you can see everything. How it works right now is it just says, like, what's in your inventory and what can you currently build.
I see that's kind of a balance, though. Like, you could be, for new people coming in, it might be a little overwhelming to have, like, 50 million
Yeah.
objects.
So I think what the not the alternative, but the compromise with that is anything that so it'll show everything you could build, but anything you can't build right now or you don't have in your inventory will be grayed out. So it'll show.
Oh, looks like everybody wants an eyedropper
Yeah,
tool.
yeah. We just discussed it today. I mean, we've discussed it before, but we prioritized it today. Will there ever be any use for water? What about water windmill?
Like a use for water, like
Probably more gameplay.
oh yeah.
Not right now. Yeah.
I think let's see
Albert's
stone.
water, like how it works. The what is it? The water stone? Whetstone?
Yeah, this whetstone here.
Yeah. So it can be used to like build lakes and stuff like that. And modders are certainly welcome to play with water. Like if you want a good example, Albert uploaded his floating box to the Steam Workshop, so you could look at that, and that has implications. Like you can build a computer using that.
It's a little weird, a little crazy.
Yeah.
I think it's great. Place this.
Right in the middle.
Is this thing having a
Drop walls.
problem?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Wait, I need
Let
to
me
adjust this room.
Let's see. If it shows all the available things, then there'll be no surprises.
Yeah, that's what I'm kind of feeling like there's a bit the surprises problem, like for like somebody who's not played, but then also like, oh man, there's so much here.
Yeah.
Like,
do you think it would be bad if it was grayed out though? Like if it was semi-transparent and gray, but you saw like.
I definitely feel like when I jump into a new game and I'm like, I just want to make something real cool. Like,
yeah.
I go in there like, where's all my stuff? Right?
Yeah.
Like, so like if I've played before, I definitely want to be able to like see stuff. So
yeah,
I think it's different for different players.
Yeah, we need to think about how we message it, because if it is nothing and you do need a crafter, like how do we correctly message that? Like if somebody goes in like, I want to build something cool, and then there's nothing in there.
Yeah, this is a good sleeping area. Sleep over there. Oh, can they get there? I don't think they can like walk over the beds, right? I don't know.
I think they can. Yeah, that's a good idea, Bruno. Bruno was saying only show one level higher, so you show what you currently can, and then like, yeah, that's a good idea.
That way, if I like have a super high leveled up Hearthling, then it would be fine, even if I can't craft them like right yet.
Yeah.
Okay. Getting there with this house. Will it blend?
Oh, Mally says beds are too high to walk on.
Oh, right.
Oh.
No, we love darkness. We love darkness.
It's in our subject matter table.
Oh, true. Oh, no, they're all sleeping. Okay, I need to stamp some logs because they're not going to be able to get us enough logs for this whole thing.
Let's see, other questions.
Cactus log.
Sulfite, yeah, is worried about crafters eventually being able to build tons of things.
There's also like I saw somebody was using, I think, Archmod or something with the new builder.
Yeah.
So you're gonna end up in a situation where you have like tons and tons of items. Yeah. Potentially.
That's what Sulfite was saying. What do you think the alternative would be?
Maybe collapsible.
Collapsible by category.
This is cool.
Rickety well.
Yeah, I need to get some more stone or something to build that.
Yeah. Search bars.
So we have search bars.
Yeah, and we could do that.
Log.
We would just need to like have a good place for it in the UI.
Wait, did that work? That worked. Like this is a log.
That's a log pile.
But look, that's a bug, I think. Like,
Why
log.
is it?
See, it refreshed.
Oh.
I wonder why. At max.
So, yeah. The item traces work really weird in our game. Like, I've been looking into that because of the new builder UI. And sometimes I'm just like, I don't understand, like, why it gets...
Wait, what question you answered?
Oh, I was... The bug you were
brought up.
Yeah, I have to look into the item traces and inventory and job and all that.
Oh, yeah.
And like sometimes it adds stuff like.
So you're saying something? Oh,
so the trace is going as like refreshing, or the trace hits, so it causes that to refresh. Maybe.
Gotta fight these guys. All right, so
yeah, but we do have search bars, and it's not too bad. Like we could reuse the stamper search bar or whatever.
Yeah, I think. So here, there's no search bar.
No, yeah, and it would just be we'd have to decide like where to put it, like how to.
Yeah, it's basically here, and there's one other place that has a search bar. Where was that?
You could stack items like crates. I don't know if it'll be addressed in the new builder.
Wait, which one?
Can you stack items like crates? Like they have to be, they're either floor placeable or they're wall placeable.
Let me find out.
Just
so there's a
grab
crate
that
here.
crate.
Wait, hold on. I need to make a little. Wait, first new building. Okay. Here we go. We gotta. This is like a little shack. Oh wait, hold on.
Yeah, we have a.
House.
Bruno's commenting on the ambient sounds. Yeah, we have a really awesome sound designer, sound engineer. I'm never sure the title. But yeah, he's
sound wizard.
Yeah, doing really awesome work.
Floor. Okay, cool. So crates.
Yeah. No.
I guess not. But these. See, this is not a problem I'm familiar with. But like, you have these things.
Yeah.
And
so what those are doing, they're
mounting to the wall.
Yep.
Is that the? I mean. But could we just mount the crates to the wall?
If you have it as like wall mountable, you could. It's literally just a flag you'd have to set. I mean, I like the idea of being able to stack crates. I'd have to check in the new builder, like if it is possible. I mean, it's possible. It's just like how much work would it be?
Yeah, let's see. Can I insta build this here?
The crates are stackable. They can only be at certain heights. Yeah, unless you just build a ladder. Well, the new since Hearthlings know how to attach things to walls, they would be able to. In some orientations, crates can be stacked.
Small crate. Oh, they're iconic.
Interesting. Okay.
So the builder... So you can stack them with the place tool.
Yeah.
But the builder needs this.
Yeah, because the builder's like casting down and it's querying and it's getting like, oh, is this a valid place to put it? We'd have to like look into its like
how do you figure out that that's a valid place? I mean, like,
yeah. You could just be like, hey, is this a fixture? I mean, we could even.
Or how's the stamp tool doing it?
Yeah. I mean,
I guess the fixtures are doing a lot more logic, though, right? Because the stamp tool is just like, here, I'm going to place this in the world, and then, like, maybe it'll be on the top of the terrain or something. But, like, the building editor is like, can this build?
Yeah.
Yes or no? And, like, that's, like, a really important question to answer.
Yeah, we tried with the place tool. Yeah, it doesn't work.
Can I insta-build these things yet? I can't,
No.
Right?
Well,
yeah, where's the...
Can you?
Yeah, you can. Where's the
Chris?
This one. Yeah.
Chris asks people not.
There you go. There we go. Cool. Right, because we're not trying to test if it can insta build. We want to test if they actually build it.
Because if the building's gonna break, like if the Hearthlings can't build it, you want to know that. Yeah, playtesting. Think about the storage.
I wonder if you put a ladder and then delete, say, this thing.
Delete what thing? The stockpile?
Yeah. All right, everybody.
Are you trying to make a roof stockpile? What are you doing?
No, I'm trying to get them to place. Yeah, they're trying to place in these like crates up here. Actually, I want to say. Like, remove this thing.
Let's see.
You guys got to put these crates in these other crates. cool. Filters.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so this one is gonna take everything. This one's gonna take none.
None. Get out of there.
Get out. All right, yeah. I'll be happy if they just put it up here. Let's see. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Oh no!
Oh, there's those stonelings again.
It's coming around, ruining my day all the time. Okay, pause game.
Angelo, you're cruel.
Goodbye. Okay. Ooh, look at all these baskets. I'm gonna sell you. Oh, berry juice.
It's delicious.
I'm gonna sell berry juice. And in turn, this one. Oh no, I can't. I'll buy this. Nope. I guess I'm only rich enough to buy that one. Cool. Are they doing it? Oh, they're doing it. Whoa, that's amazing. Okay, cool.
Yeah, so we just have to look and see if the stacking logic makes sense in the builder.
He totally missed when they placed in them. Yeah, they're doing it. They're doing it.
Oh, they're dropping a lot of stuff. See if anything's in there.
In the top one?
Yeah. Contents. Okay,
Yeah.
there's stuff in there.
Yeah. They're having a real good party on this on this ladder. Oh yeah.
Excuse me.
Oh, it's gonna be a thunderstorm tomorrow.
Nice. They rolled a 6.
All right, I think we're getting close to the end of the stream. Does anyone have any questions about Builder or Steam Workshop?
Be excited to subscribe to.
It says stamper doesn't count. Try to put the
Oh,
place tool.
no, yeah, we did.
Oh, did we with the place
Yep.
tool? No, this is the place
Didn't we?
tool.
I thought, oh, no.
Yeah,
What were you
so the
using
place.
before?
So the stamper does it.
Yeah. Place tool does not.
Alright. That's interesting to look into. Like, because it's obviously possible. But it's just something with the tools that place them. Oh, okay, now it's a thunderstorm.
It's interesting, yeah.
Oh, that looks cool in this biome. Look.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, no.
Go inside.
Devona, yes.
Use your beds.
Should it be possible, yeah.
Wait, why is the rain happening inside?
Is the roof built?
Oh, weird.
Oh, when you had it deselected?
Oh, I guess that's supposed to work, though. So, like, here, no rain's coming in, right?
Yeah.
But
now.
over when I open this up, then the rain's coming in. But it should...
Is it really? If you go in? I might just have bad vision.
Yeah, see,
yeah,
it
it
is,
is.
yeah.
It is. I thought somebody fixed that.
Yeah, I think maybe it's when the building is done. It does that or something. Is this building done?
Click drop down on the... It looks done.
Yeah. Interesting. All right.
Well, no, there's scaffolding, unless if it's done and they just didn't remove it, which they should.
I'll save this. Save.
Mally says there's strange angles where it doesn't work. Have to look into it.
Whoa. Whoa. They're thinking about cafe stuff.
Hot coffee. Okay, well, I think
All right.
it's 7. Thank you, everybody, for coming to this stream, and yeah, especially thanks to everybody who's been helping out with the build playtest.
Yeah,
and everybody
and the
who's-
multiplayer playtest.
yeah, everybody who's been uploading mods and stuff. Yeah, it's really helping us, so
Right.
we really appreciate it.
Yep. Thanks a lot.
All right, bye, everybody. Crate Cafe.